All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 001820302, State versus one Cruz. Can I have parties announced?
Ashley Jones, Dean Brown on behalf of One Cruz.
And are you Mr. Cruz? Counsel, you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery and there are no applications, correct?
There are none.
Mr. Cruz, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive the reading of the indictment. We did want to know that the state is moving to amend it, and we waive that 10 days notice attached to that amendment.
All right.
The state is moving to the indictment to what the correct felony pseudonym as well as the pseudonym. So we'll just change that, and then additionally we'll keep count 3, and we'll release all other counts. Further, we are leaving habitual enhancement.
And the pseudonym, what is the correct spelling?
HAILY.
And defense, you have no objections to those changes or the waivers?
I have no objections to those changes, and we waive 10 day requirement.
All right. Mr. Cruz, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Sure. All right. In count 3.
Notice how the judge emphasizes the max, 99 years or life. That isn't just procedure, it's psychological. Judges want defendants to feel the gravity of every word before they say, yes, I'm pleading. No going back.
You're charged with aggravated sexual assault of a child. That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow that plea. If for any reason the court does not follow that plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand? All right. Did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state calling the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Sure. Did you understand if the court... Just 1 second, I'm sorry. All right. So did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Sure.
Did you understand if you're not a United States citizen, by entering into this plea, you can be deported, denied naturalization, or the right to re-entry into the United States? The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 3. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 25 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance. And there's to be no contact with complainants. Did you understand that to be your plea? Defense?
Yes.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
A no contest plea means he isn't admitting guilt, but he's also not fighting the charges. It's the courtroom version of, I'm not saying I did it, but please don't make this worse for me. Smart strategy or guilty conscience? What do you think?
No pretrial motions of that sort, no.
Then to count 3, how do you plead? State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Yes, Your Honor. The statement of terms of the one and all.
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and consent stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sure.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state calling the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes. And so the defendant, my client does understand the ramifications of the charges involved. It was very difficult in terms of assessing what was at stake here. We have entered a plea to avoid the inherent risks of trial. The client, we are just asking that the state follow this. The court honors this agreement. This has been the result of numerous meetings with the state, going over the evidence, and the state has conferred with the mother of the child, and this is a safe conclusion that everyone is in it.
Anything you want to say?
This is where things get cloudy. He apologizes to the family, but the judge immediately pushes, sorry for what? Apologies mean nothing here unless you own what you did. And he's trying hard to stay vague.
Just want to say that I'm sorry.
But why would you do it?
Like, yeah.
I'm sorry, what?
No, I would say that sorry, like for
Sorry for what?
like what thing that I even for others and me, but you know that not being a good husband to her, to my
Well, I mean, according to the stipulations, you're the boyfriend. You're not a husband.
or boyfriend.
So how long did you know them before you moved into the home?
Well, pretty long.
So you knew the mother for 2 months before you were moved into the home?
That was about 2 months.
And how long after you moved in the home that you were allowed to spend overnights with just you and the complainant?
Or long?
Yes. So you move into the home within 2 months.
Because I would work and you know, home, work night shifts, and that would come to a o'clock.
Well, they're saying this happened overnight.
Yeah.
If I may interject regarding the facts of the truth and for discussing this, my client had been on parole at the time these allegations were made. There was a parole hearing at which the mother of the child had testified, and during that hearing, she had stated that
Oh, okay, but I want to hear this.
she had.
I understand it's hearsay, but I want to hear.
And so this is what I had pointed out to the state when we were coming to this conclusion, this proposed amount. The mother was relying on him routinely throughout the course of their relationship to watch the children because she works nights. She works as a housekeeper at the Metropolitan Methodist, the hospital on McCullough, and so that was an aspect here where she had asked him to watch the kids
So when
that
did that
night.
start? When did it start that you were allowed to watch children as somebody's boyfriend that has only been moved into the house for 2 months?
Like for me to watch home, like that was my girlfriend. We got the house. Yeah, I'm the one. Not the house.
How did you meet her?
Yes.
All right, so you meet through Facebook. And when you meet through Facebook, does she already have children?
She told me about her life story, how
Well, there you go. I just want you to listen to my questions and answer my questions. So you meet her through Facebook. She tells you she has children.
she didn't tell me at the beginning, not till afterwards that we started talking.
All right. And so when you met her through Facebook,
Yeah.
did you already have prison history, or did the prison come after you?
No, I had one. I already had this
So what did you go to prison for?
for
All right. So
yeah.
did you tell her you'd been to prison for burglary?
Yeah. It was like,
So you tell her, you meet her on Facebook.
mhm.
She has underage children, and you tell her that you've been to prison for burglary.
Yeah, I told her.
And then she says, great, you guys move in.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to make sure that
Sure. I mean, he gave it the right to remain silent.
isn't it true that you knew the child was a minor and a half when that together? Does that sound more correct?
Yeah, well, something like that.
Wasn't it true that she had the father living in that home as well? Wasn't it also true that you guys were at least back in the house? Was that
Yeah, like, she was, she was,
so you guys knew each other as
Yeah.
young people, not something that you know out.
yeah.
All right, anything else?
If I can briefly ask him, was it your understanding that there were past allegations made against another family member in the house by the same child regarding sex abuse?
Overruled.
Yeah, her dad, her fourth,
All right.
or herself.
The son, would that be the
Yeah,
second
Jay,
brother?
is her brother. She didn't say that her son had done something to her. Her own son.
And then what was the outcome of that allegation?
Nothing, like, I always told her, so she very wanted.
And what is your understanding of her relationship with Nan in the case where she was a complaining witness for continuous violence in the family?
That was her age, so maybe that. She told me that they had an argument and she had hit him in the car and she ran over and he got off. He was trying to put the car in gear
What is your understanding of their relationship now?
and they're gonna get back together. She put him in prison for years for domestic violence.
How do you know
It's
that
out.
he was going to, how do you know that
She
they were
told
going
me.
to act together?
She was talking to me. She would call her. And three-way from prison. Over a lot of arguing. I said, why you talking? Just he loved me the house. He was all about me. I didn't want to get in trouble. Like,
No further questions.
Thank you.
I mean,
Sure.
you don't know for sure that she's like,
why? I mean, he was talking to me from the phone.
how did you know that she has this against him?
Yeah, but she used to get letters from her friends. She used to send letters to her father.
Objection to inaccurate statement. Restraining order would that be a protective order? I mean, that's
All right, if you could clarify your question.
Yeah, I think you were the big one.
Yeah, but, and that's why I would tell her why she talking to me. They were still calling for me. I didn't do. I was wondering.
All right. Is there anything else?
nothing further.
All right. As previously stated,
The judge has heard enough. With a plea deal on the table and inconsistent answers piling up, the outcome is locked in. The only question now, how heavy is the hammer going to drop?
court is going to find you guilty of count 3. The court will sentence you to 25 years in the prison. Giving credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Chapter 62 registration. There's to be no contact with complainants. There's to be no residing with minors. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Anything else with regards to sentence?
Nothing further.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need your attorney. Do you understand?
Here's the reality, even after 25 years, the punishment continues. Once labeled a sex offender, every move is monitored. The court isn't just sentencing him today, they're protecting future children.